Why is Dill much faster and more disk efficient than Pickle for Numpy arrays? I'm using Python 2.7 and Numpy 1.11.2, as well as the latest versions of Dill. I just did the pip install Dill on Ubuntu 16.04. When storing a Numpy array using Pickle, I find that Pickle is very slow and stores arrays at almost 3 times the necessary size. For example, in the following code, Pickle is approximately 50 times slower, ones versus 50s, and creates a file that is 2.2 GB instead of 800 MB. I thought Dill was just a wrapper around Pickle. If this is true, is there a way that I can improve the performance of Pickle myself? Is it generally not advisable to use Pickle for Numpy arrays? Edit, using Python 3, I get the same performance for Pickle and Dill. PS, I know about numpy.save, but I am working in a framework where I store lots of different objects, all residing in a dictionary, to a file.
This ought to be a comment, but I have not enough reputation. My guess is that this is due to the Pickle protocol used. On Python 2, the default protocol is 0 and highest supported protocol is 2. On Python 3, the default protocol is 3 and highest supported protocol is 4, as of Python 3.6. Each protocol version improves on the previous one, but Protocol 0 is especially slow for largish objects. It should be avoided in most cases, except if you need to be able to read your pickles using extremely old versions of Python. Protocol 2 is already much better. Now, I suppose Dill uses pickle.highest_protocol by default, and if that is indeed the case, it would probably be the cause of a good deal of the speed difference. You could try using pickle.highest_protocol to see if you get similar performance using Dill and standard Pickle.
I'm the Dill author. Dill is an extension of Pickle, but it does add some alternate pickling methods for numpy and other objects. For example, Dill leverages the numpy methods for the pickling of arrays. Additionally, I believe, Dill uses default_protocol by default, not highest_protocol, for Python 3, and for Python 2 it uses highest_protocol by default.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and